Hi, my name's Cletus. I'm with ISP Mint and I'm here today to talk to you about SD-WAN by VeloCloud and how it can greatly benefit your business in multiple ways. When talking about SD-WAN, there are three main components: your WAN, your LAN, and your apps. Let's take a look at the WAN, or more commonly referred to as your ISP, Internet Service Provider. There are a lot of options when choosing your WAN, including CenturyLink, Comcast, AT&T, and many more. When choosing one or multiple ISPs, you are considering your bandwidth needs, availability at your location, cost, and redundancy. With SD-WAN, you can run multiple ISPs active-active, meaning you do not have a backup connection. You're using all of your connections simultaneously. This allows many of our customers to right-size their connections and in a lot of situations replace their costly MPLS circuits with multiple less expensive ISPs. This is accomplished through dynamic multipath optimization. Let's take a look. Here we are seeing screenshots of a VeloCloud Edge in action, taken from the VeloCloud Orchestrator. This multi-WAN example is from ISP Mint's main office. Let's take a closer look. We have three ISPs, Skyfiber, Charter, and Verizon. The Edge judges the quality of these connections based on latency, jitter, and packet loss, and provides you with a visual output somewhat similar to a MOS score. Red is unusable, yellow is moderate, and green is perfect. The VeloCloud Edge is able to switch between connections using dynamic multipath optimization to the connection with the lowest latency, buffer connection to eliminate jitter, and use forward error correction to compensate for packet loss. This enables you to be on a VoIP call and not notice or drop the call when one or more of your connections degrades or drops below the requirements of using VoIP. Some of you may be saying, but I currently only have a single ISP. Perfect. Let's take a look at this second example. Here we have a Charter connection that would not be able to handle a VoIP call or streaming video conference. The VeloCloud Edge cannot correct for latency with a single connection, but is still able to buffer out jitter and use forward error correction to mitigate packet loss. As you can see here, with the VeloCloud enhancements, this would be a much more usable connection. This to our next component, your apps. Whether it be your VoIP phones for everyday business, a group chat app like Chime to stay connected with your entire team while completing an important project, or using cloud-based Office 365 to create a PowerPoint for your next presentation, cloud apps have become an integral part of any successful business. That is why the recent acquisition of VeloCloud by VMware, a leader in cloud computing and platform virtualization software and services, is that much more exciting. The VeloCloud Edge is able to steer application traffic as needed at branch offices directly to the SaaS applications on the internet without going through a corporate data center. This results in a much better experience for the user, increasing work productivity. Now let's take a look at the physical device. The VeloCloud Edge is comparable in size to a standard router. In fact, it is a router with its own firewall. It also supports most routing protocols such as OSPF, BGP, PKI, and many more. It has Ethernet ports, SFP ports, USB ports, and LAN ports, the amount of which are determined by your company's needs. The larger bandwidth models are available in a rack mount when needed. The Edge comes preset with over 3,700 business priorities, ensuring flawless performance of most apps right out of the box. Business priorities can be added and changed to suit your company's needs. If you have multiple locations with VeloCloud Edges at each location, you can set up a VPN tunnel with a single click. This saves a huge amount of time and money. The deployment of a VeloCloud Edge takes less than 15 minutes and with minimal, if any, changes to your current network. There is also the option of high availability, a second edge at a single location at a reduced cost to ensure if something catastrophic occurs, you will never be without SD-WAN. Thank you for your time. Please send any order inquiries or questions to cletus@ispmint.com. The link is available below. There is also a direct link to purchase an Edge. Have a great day.